Hey, if anybody comes across an extra 2x scope or a scope period, what are you shooting? A car, Steven? No, I mean, are you shooting a car? Gun wise? That's what I thought. I have absolutely no range. I have a bunch of red dots.
Anyone need D762?
Nope.
Steven? Steven, cough, cough, hello?
Nope.
Four 2 times Dr. Scott.
Oh shit. Guess I need to pay a little better attention to where the fuck I'm going. You want to go hit this drop, Carl?
Yeah, sure.
You hear me, Scott?
What?
M4 2 times down here where I'm at.
Alright, hold on. I'm not too far away.
Where I'm at.
Huh? Get out of the damn car.
Is it drop over?
Yeah.
Don't let Steven get it, hurry.
There's a Groza in it. It's all it's in it. Do you want it, Carl?
Yep.
Alright.
And I just dropped on my 762. Any chance you can go right back there?
Yep. Get in.
Yeah.
Back to shelter.
Shelter, yeah.
Alright.
Ammo just dropped. Not, it's whatever.
I mean, I can. It's up to you. I'm going that direction.
Not there for a minute, right before the market first.
Do you remember where it was?
Further up to the right. Different entrance, maybe this one.
Enemies ahead.
I don't know.
That's the one I was at. Gotta be this one over here. Oh shit, there's a dead box there. Was it by a box or?
I don't know. Let me go look in that box, see if there's any ammo.
Because the other entrance over here is the one that is the where I grabbed the car, so I know it's not at that one. You were coming from one of these other ones.
Found it.
Alright.
Dracula.
4 times for you, Scott.
Alright.
There's more medkits I can carry over here.
Back at that warehouse or?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh shit, little building there.
You got my time.
Ooh, 5-5. Ooh, I want that too.
Top rail above your stuff.
Alright.
Make it on this dude, dropping it 4 times here.
You have to go.
Dropped it 4 times where? I'm 9, I got it.
Got another scope.
6 or 8.
I don't need any of that shit. Oh, we finna get air, Carl. Oh, we didn't. That sucked.
Yeah, we can keep going.
4 here, Scott.
I didn't know if there was anybody else to shoot.
And 4 times. How many med kits you got, Carl?
Huh?
First aids?
Can't hear you.
I have a red dot and an extended sniper mag that I'm gonna drop if anybody needs them.
How many first aids do you have?
I have 3 first aids, 3 pills, and speaking of that, I need to take some shit.
Alright, I appreciate your need. Alright, thanks.
I'm good, thank you though. I got plenty. You need to go.
Shit. Oh shit, we gotta cross the water. That's that gas station that Carl landed us on top of the other day when we all died.
Crate just fell right here.
Crate, yeah, I see it. Are you going to it or?
No, I'm on the.
Alright. You want to hit the crate, Carl, or?
I'll be okay with
It's right
that.
here.
I have to go to a bucket.
Oh shit, there's a guy. Damn, I was gonna run him over.
Hard to man. Never mind, too late.
Don't look like anybody's been at the crate.
Make a move.
There.
I don't really need anything out of it necessarily. I'm alright. I mean,
There's a bog in there.
what is it?
The 3 helmet and an AUG A3.
I don't really have the ammo and shit for the AUG right now.
Got a sniper suppressor here if anyone wants it.
Yeah. Where at? Way the fuck back there? Good lord. Can you bring it to me? Do
Sure.
you have room? Because I'm not running. I'm almost to the circle. I'm not running all the way back there.
Oh, that hurt.
Would you jump out moving a little fast?
Airdrop.
Got it. Ooh, Saverni's gonna be in it.
Right, not far from me.
Great, right over the top of Steven's head.
Got one
Enemies
here.
ahead.
Only 3 more.
Have it. Gentlemen.
There's a 249 in this crate.
Damn, there's only 2 more. 1 more. Who the hell is shooting at who? What's he squatting down there somewhere or something?
gonna say, where the fuck is this guy?
He was in the smoke. I just started lighting the smoke up. Steven's like, stop, I want to grenade him.